Bismillahirrahmanirrahim and Assalamu alaikum students. So today we are going to start the revision of final term. So we are starting from chapter number 4 algebraic expressions. Okay. So this is your review lecture and we are going to start from exercise number 4.5. Okay. As you know 4.5 is also included in your final term. So we are going to start the revision from exercise number 4.5 and the topic of exercise number 4.5 is remainder theorem. Okay, so this is the topic from exercise number 4.5. Now let's start. What is the question from exercise number 4.5? Find the remainder by means of remainder theorem. Okay, you have to find out here remainder, but without performing actual division you will find it out, means by the method of remainder theorem. Just suppose this is your question here: x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 20 is divided by x plus 2. Means here you have to find out the remainder of this expression but without performing the actual one. Okay, so let's start the video here. Just a minute. Just give me a minute. Okay, कैमरास मत ऑफ कीजिएगा अपने. And please tell me is my video clear or not. ये अभी से सबके कैमरा टर्न ऑफ हो गए है ना. डाल दूं वेटिंग रूम में मैदा जिमल ईमान. Okay, now look at here. Now listen to me very carefully, class. Without wasting a single minute, let's start the lecture. Exercise number 4.5. Okay. Question is find the remainder. Very important question. Okay. The question that I'm going to explain in during the review lecture, they are very important. Okay. So please pay full concentration. Question is find the remainder by means of remainder theorem, but without performing actual division. Okay, here what you have: x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 20, it is divided by x plus 2. Means obviously you are going to divide this by x plus 2, but you will get the remainder here. How will you start with the heading of solution. So what you will do, what you have given here, you will write here, since you know this one, x plus 2 is given to you and obviously it will be equals to 0. So from here what you will do, you will find out the value of x. So what you will do here, x is equals to, here you have plus 2, so when you are shifting towards the right side, so it will become minus 2. Now your x is now equals to minus 2 and this is your expression which will you say that this is polynomial x, polynomial variable x. Okay, so polynomial p is small. Okay, which is equals to this one, which is x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 20. Okay, now polynomial variable x, which is equals to x cube minus 2x square plus x plus 20. Now what you have to do here, you have to put the value of x which you have find here, that it is equals to minus 2. So you will write down here now your p bracket, instead of x what you are going to do, you are going to replace this x with minus 2. From here you have find it, right? Sin. So what you will do, you will write here, instead of x you will put the value of x which is minus 2. So you will write here minus 2 whole cube. Okay, minus 2, replace x with minus 2 square plus, instead of x you will write here minus 2 and plus 20. That's it, right? Now again please keep this in your mind that this is a small p. Okay, again you will write it down here, p minus 2, it is equals to, now this cube of 2 will be what? Cube of 2 will be what? Cube of 2 will be what? Hmm? cube of 2 will be, yes, 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. But obviously here you have 3, so you will write down minus here, right? Then here minus 2 will remain same, and square of 2 will be 2 multiplied by 2 will be 4, and minus minus will be plus, so you will write here 4. Then plus minus minus 2 plus 20 will remain same. Now simply you will multiply this 2 with 4. You start from p minus 2 is equals to minus 8. Just a minute, students. Now look at here. This will be minus 2 multiplied by 4 will be 8. Then this will be minus 2 and plus 20. Now at the end what you will do, you will simply perform addition or subtraction here. P minus 2 is equals to, okay, this is minus 8, this is minus 8, the minus minus will be plus, so 8 plus 8 will be 16, but you will place the sign of minus here because both of the term have minus sign. Okay, now this one is minus plus will be minus. Okay, so 2 subtract 2 from 20, so answer will be what? 18. Answer will be 18, but 20 is greater, so you will put the sign of addition here, right? Now please tell me what will be the final answer. Minus 2 is equals to minus plus will be, minus plus will be, write it down in the chat box. Write it down in the chat box. Minus plus will be minus, so what will be the answer of this one? Okay, fine. Minus plus will be minus. Please tell me the answer. 16 minus 18. What will be the answer? Minus 2. Are you sure? Only 2. Or you can say plus 2 will be the answer. Answer will be 2. So you will write here, thus remainder is equals to 2. What is your remainder? Remainder here is 2. So simply what you will do, you will decide what is your x here, which is x plus 2 equals to 0. So x is equals to minus 2. And then simply put the value of x in the given expression, and then without performing the actual division, you will get your remainder, which is 2. Right? Now move on to the next question. What is this one? Look at here. Again from the same exercise, which is exercise number 4.5. Now what is the question? Decide whether or not, question number 2. Okay, this is your question number 2. Decide whether or not each of the following statements are true or not. Means you have to decide whether the given statement is true or false, right? Now what is the statement here? Statement is saying that x plus 3, okay, this x plus 3 is a factor of 3x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 24. Means this x plus 3, you have to find out that whether this x plus 3 will completely divide this one without leaving any remainder. Means if you will get the remainder, so obviously this will not be the factor of the given equation. But if you will get no remainder, so it means this is the factor of this expression. Okay, you have to tell whether the given statement is true or false. According to statement is telling you that x plus 3 is a factor of this equation, means x plus 3 will completely divide this expression. Now let's check it out whether it is true or false. So how will you start? First you will say that this expression will be, you will write it down, this is polynomial x, which is equals to 3x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 24. Right? Now again you will decide what is your x here. Here as you can see that x plus 3 is equals to 0. So what will be x here? X is equals to plus 3 है, तो यहाँ जाके क्या हो जाएगा? minus 3. plus 3 है तो क्या हो जाएगा? minus 3. अब क्या करना है? What you have to do here, you have to put this minus 3 in this equation. Okay, how will you put it? Look at here, you will write it down. P minus 3 is equals to, 3 will remain same, x cube. Instead of x, you will write it down here minus 3, its whole cube, minus sign, then x, instead of x, you will write minus 3 square, minus 22, instead of x, you will write minus 3, and then plus 24, right? Now you will solve it. How? You simply write p minus 3 is equals to 3. Now please tell me the cube of minus 3. Cube of minus 3. Cube of minus 3. Hmm? Cube of minus 3 will be, yes, very good, minus 27 minus cube, square of minus 3. Square of minus 3, 9. 3 multiplied by 3 is 9. Minus minus will be plus. Now, no cube here, so simply you will multiply them directly. Minus minus will be what? Minus minus will be plus, and 3 multiplied by 2 is 6. 3 multiplied by 2 is 6, so 22 multiplied by 3 will be 66, right? And plus 24, that's it. Now in the next step we are going to multiply them. Minus 3. Now please tell me 3 multiplied by minus 27, what will be the answer? 3 multiplied by minus 27, what will be the answer? Everyone, hurry up. Hmm? 3 multiplied by minus 7, what will be the answer? Hurry up. Yes, answer will be minus 81. Okay, then it is minus 9 plus 66 and plus 24. Now look at here. What you will get here? P minus 3. Okay, minus minus क्या हो जाएगा? Plus. So 81 plus 9. What will be the answer? 81 plus 9. Minus minus is plus. So 81 plus 9 will be 81 plus 9 will be 90. Yes, answer will be minus 90. Okay, and then 66 plus 24. What will be the answer? 66 plus so 90. Answer will be 90. So minus 90 plus 90. What will be the answer? Minus 90 plus 90. What it will be equals to? Hmm? What it will be equals to? Here. Plus 90. Are you sure? What will be the answer here? Are you sure? You are right? Hmm? 0. Answer will be 0. Right? Just a minute, students. Okay, now look at here. If you will get your remainder 0, okay, if the remainder is 0, so it means that this is the correct statement, which is x plus 3 is a factor of 3x cube minus x square minus 22x plus 24. So you will write here the remainder is 0. Okay, your remainder here is 0. It shows that x plus 3 is a factor of the given expression, and your statement is true. अगर आपके पास यहाँ पर कोई रिमाइंडर आए except 0, so you will say that the given expression is not the given term is not the factor of the expression. Okay, if remainder is not 0, so obviously x plus 3 will not be the factor of given expression. That's it, right? Now move on to the last question. Very simple and easy. Here simply you have to show that question number 3. Okay, question number 3, and here you have to simply show that 2 is a root of this expression, which is a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 2 is equals to 20. Okay, so you will write, what you will do, let the term here is a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 2 is equals to 0. And given thing is 2. So you will write here, put the value of a, which is equals to 2, in above equation. Right, what you will do, simply you will put the value of a in above equation. This is basically question number, this is basically your question number what, question number 3. Okay, and this is very important question, so please listen to me very carefully. Now simply what you have to do, you have to put the value of a, which is equals to 2, in the above expression. So what is your given expression? This is one, which is a cube minus 4a square plus 5a minus 2 is equals to 0. Now instead of a, you will write here 2 cube minus 4 2 square plus 5 2 minus 2 is equals to 0. Means instead of a, we are going to write it down a, which is equals to 2. Okay, now cube of 2, cube of 2 will be what? Cube of 2 will be 8 minus 4, square of 2 will be 4, plus 5 multiplied by 2 is 10, right? Minus 2 is equals to 0. Now what it will be? 8, yes, right, minus, yes, 16 plus 10 minus 2 is equals to 0. Now what it will be? Plus 8, here you have plus 8 and minus 16. Plus 8 and minus 16. Minus plus will be minus. So you will write it down here. 8 minus 16 will be minus 8. Okay. And plus minus minus. So 10 minus 2 will be plus 8 is equals to 0. So minus 8 plus 8. So what will be the answer? 0. 0 is equals to 0. So left side is equal to right side, or right side is equals to left side. So you will say that it is now proof. That's it. Understand? Simply what you have to do, you have to show that 2 is a root of this term and this term is equals to 0. So what you will do, instead of a, replace a with the given term, which is 2. Value of a is 2. So simply you will place the value of 2 in the given expression, and you have to equalize left side with the right side. So if left side is equal to right side, so you will say that it is a root of 2. Okay, so it is proved now. Now we are moving towards the classwork. So everyone, please turn on your copies. Okay, in which copy you are going to do the revision? In algebra copy. Everyone, you are going to do revision in algebra copy. So I have explained all this thing to you. Now everyone, please open the index page and start the index from a new page. Okay, all of you are going to do this work in algebra copy. This is your revision work. Now write down index. This is your classwork. First of all, write down the heading of final term revision, but start from a new page. So before starting, please show me what you are doing here. Start your work, beta. Open the index page, start from a new index. New index page, use a new index page. You should show the index page, please. Beta, show your index page. Videos are not on. Still your videos are not on. Meda, you do not have any index page. Okay, then start from the back side. Start from the back side, everyone. Yes, start. Yes, last page. Very good. Now write down index. Hmm. Write down revision, final term revision, final term revision. Now, yes, final term revision. Now write down index, exercise number 5, 4.5, question number 2, bit number 2, and question number 3, bit number 1. Okay, good, very good. Keep doing your work. I think all of you have done with the index. Now start your work. Okay, now after that, make a flap of revision. Make a flap of revision. Okay, make a flap of revision, everyone. Because where are your videos? Can't see your video. Abdullah Zimil. Yeah, why your videos are off? Yes, very good. Fatma, make the flap of revision. No, Abdul Rahman, make the flap. Okay, okay, Ishul. Okay, revision. Yes, write down the heading of revision here. Okay, please listen. These questions are very important. Okay. Yes, okay, Ishul. Revision final term. Yes, keep doing. Very good. Okay, now start solving it. Now copy down question from book. Exercise number 4.5. Question number 2, bit number 2. What is your question number 2, bit number 2? Decide whether or not each of the following statements is true or not. And bit number 2. Yes. Write down date. Very good, Fatma. Okay, I think all of you have copied down the index, right? So that's it. Yes, start your work. Abdullahat, where is your camera? Abdullahat, where is your camera? Very good, Ishal. Ishal, write down exercise number. Very good, beta. Very good, Mahanur Tabassum. Very good. Keep going on. Sania Javed, where is your camera? Abdul Rahman. Very good. Do fast. Yes, you will write here. Yes, start with the heading of solution. Yes, Faliha, start with the heading of solution. Okay, this is the way I have shared my video. Now start solving it. Hurry up, do fast. Hmm. Hmm. Very good. No, no, no. Let P polynomial x, P bracket x, let hmm, is equals to the given expression. What is the expression? 3x cube. Huh. Copy down the complete equation. What are you doing, Abdul Rahman? Here is a sign. Wrong. Abdul Rahman. No. फालिया थोड़ा सा क्लोज करेंगी कैमरे को लिटिल बिट क्लोजर नाउ इट इज ओके थोड़ा सा इधर राइट साइड पे करिए कॉपी हाँ दैट्स गुड वेरी गुड नाउ यस वेरी गुड Abdul Rahman, you can check your mistake from here. You can check your mistake from here. Abdul Ahad, are you doing your work? Very good, Faliha. Okay, now start. Very good, beta. Faliha. Abdul Rahman, you can check your mistakes from here. You can check your mistake from here. Now move on to the next question, Faliha. Sania, where is your camera? Iman, where is your camera, beta? Iman and Sania, what's wrong with you? Everyone, please turn on your camera. Maida, Zed, Zed, please camera on कीजिए, otherwise I will put you in waiting room. Zed, please turn on your camera, otherwise I will put you in waiting room. Hmm. Just a minute, Fatma, I'm going to check your work. Yes, this is right. This is beta plus 66. माइनस माइनस प्लस हो जाएगा ये -22 और -3 है वो तो +66 हो जाएगा दिस इज -3 ना अब करिए राइट गुड गुड गोइंग बेटा कैमरा ऑन कर लीजिए स्टूडेंट प्लीज टर्न ऑन द कैमरा मैं वेटिंग रूम में डाल रही हूँ आप सबको दैट्स इट माय फाइनल वार्निंग Z. Then yes, solve it. 27 minus 36. 9 plus 9 minus 9. Part 2. I नहीं part 1 करना है. Falia, we are doing question number 3 part 1, right? Okay. We have to do bit number 1. We have to do bit number 1. Beta, time is running out. Please do it fast. Very good. Fatma, move on to the next one. Ishal, your work. Yes, good. Keep doing.